have to admit, I'm an FPV noob. But after a few minutes of flying DJI's new Avata 2, and I've been instilled with a little bit more confidence.
Now, I'm the FPV master.
Famous last word, perhaps? Anyway, what's new with the two? Let's start with the goggles.
So it looks pretty much the same as before, but this time, batteries built in was here.
Because last time it was a bit clumsy, is it?
Yeah, well, you have to connect the battery via a cable and then put the cable somewhere, which is probably in a pocket or something.
Oh, it's like the Vision Pro anyway.
Yeah. But now, DJI have gone one step ahead. And it kind of works as well, because the battery kind of counterbalances the weight of the goggles. Got my contact on today. Oh, yes. I feel powerful. So, I've got the language screen at the minute, which, let me see if... So, this is going to be very boring, where you're just looking at me wearing goggles and talking about something you can't actually see.
And then looks like picking your nose.
Yeah. It feels like I'm at the opticians, but I'm doing all the work myself. Close right eye, rotate knob. This feature allows you to see real-time view of your surroundings. Okay, tap this twice. Oh yes, I can see.
Oh, you can see!
Exit real view by tapping on the right side of your goggles twice.
They call it Real View PIP. I call it a couple of cameras on the front of the goggles that let you get a view of what's happening on the ground. To be fair, their name is a bit catchier.
I'm just going through all of the tutorials about how to use the goggles.
So can you still see outside now?
No. So when I'm using the interface, I can't see outside.
So the camera, no, the drone itself, what's the difference? It looks a little bit different.
Oh yeah, it's got a big sensor, slightly bigger sensor. I mean, that's all you need to know. It's got a big sensor, but it's got the automated features, which makes flying it like a boss a lot easier.
Oh, that's loop controller. Real Pro use the usual remote.
I am just showing what it's like for a noob. Obviously, a professional like myself, I have to consider everybody, the community of FPV.
Ready to fly, finally.
Motion controller instructions.
Oh.
What's your left hand doing?
Balancing. Use motion controller joystick to control the menu. You can use it as a pointer. Oh, this is cool. Switch-handedness, right hand. Push joystick up and down to make aircraft ascend. Enter real view by quickly pressing the dial twice.
Why are you pointing it to me?
Well, it's safer if I crash into you than somebody else, isn't it?
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
So, what, the joystick up to ascend? Beginner mode. Just showing you what beginner mode is like. So this is to accelerate, and then you just lift it.
As you can see, the goggle shows you a wide and unstabilized view, while the actual recording has the wide angle straightened and stabilized.
Oh, this makes it really easy. See, I'm going to fly around here. Easy peasy. Presumably I can't go any faster than this in beginner mode. And actually this beginner mode is a good way of introducing you to the controls without it suddenly going really quickly. Look, you can just fly it through here.
Baby steps.
Baby steps, yes. Learn to walk before you can fly, although learn to fly slowly before you can fly quick. Once you get a little bit confident, you can even try something a little bit more daring.
Oh. Oh. Oh! You did it!
Yes!
Slowly!
I am a master lock. And that's all you need to know about it. Buy it now in shops today. Affiliate links down below. Okay, no, so it's not just that.
The beginner mode has just got the right amount of freedom to allow you to get a grasp of what does what and how much to tilt the controller and press the trigger, etc, while restricting things enough so you don't make an utter nipple of yourself, which you can do once you switch the beginner mode off. Once you're off it, it does feel glorious though.
Let's go there. Whoa. So instantly, when you take off beginner mode, you can feel that trigger actually does something when you pull down on it faster. It goes really fast. Whoa, whoa, that is cool.
On the previous Avatar, when it comes to a quick stop, you can see part of the drone in the video. Not anymore with the Avatar 2.
This is so cool.
It's almost easier than a normal drone.
I think so, yeah. Because with a normal drone, you've got the two sticks, and you kind of have to get used to, like, okay, what does that stick do?
Yeah, you
But
have
this-
to like go forward and up or something. But this can't do sideways.
What do you mean can't do
That's the thing.
sideways? You mean go like that?
Yeah.
Sorry, I almost twacked you in the face there. No, I'm doing sideways. You have to use the joystick.
Oh, okay.
So with the joystick, you can ascend or
okay.
descend and go left or right. All right, let's change the battery. It's at 11% now. Oh yeah, that was fun. That was really cool. This month is National Kite Month. I'm sure you're all aware of that. So why not take this opportunity to celebrate it by doing a bit of kite flying while doing some FPVing.
It's the same time. What?
Yes. Not me flying the kite, obviously. You're going to be flying the kite. You can put
Oh,
that
wait.
down. And then I'm going to take some nice FPV shots.
I like what you're thinking.
Yes.
Disaster.
It's not a
Disaster
disaster.
waiting to happen.
Nobody plans for a disaster. This is going to be epic.
Epic. Disaster.
We make epic videos, don't we? We make cool videos that people make people think, yeah, I want to be a bloody FPV pilot. Yeah. Yeah, I'm an FPV pilot. Okay, well, let's do it.
I've been flying kites for over 20 years.
Well, continuously.
No, I mean the last time was 20 years ago.
It's the wind does the work. You don't do anything, Locke.
I don't even know what it's supposed to look like.
It's a squid octopus thing.
It's just like a bin bag. I don't even know where's the start and end.
Probably goes on the end of that, doesn't it?
Okay, that's actually quite easy.
Yeah. There you go.
But first, a brief shout out to the sponsor of this video, Squarespace. It's just the best solution for setting up a website or online store quickly and easily because the interface makes it a breeze to do so. Start off with one of their neat looking templates, customize it, shift things around, and that's it. Get going with a 14-day free trial and 10% off your first order. Links in the description down below.
Okay, here we go. I just can't see the string, that's all.
Yeah, I was just going to say.
Yeah, I can fly this with one hand in my pocket. You can't do that with a regular drone. Whoa.
From here, it looks like it's going to crash into it.
From where I'm looking, it looks like it's going to crash as well.
Yeah, but shots always look best when you're close to crashing. I mean, it's a kite. What's the worst that... that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I was getting a bit too cocky there. I was thinking, okay, I can...
Oh no, it's turning black and white. That's not a good thing. I feel flashback cutaway coming. There we are, of me crashing the previous Avatar. I'm still a noob, obviously.
Okay, Locke, this is a stupid idea.
Like, okay. Stuck at an angle. Okay, unstuck. I mean, if fall from a bit of height. Oh, yeah. Good as new.
Fixed.
No matter, even if you just turn off the begin mode, you can make it look like you're pro with this new feature.
Why does it always have to be next to me?
I tell you what, let me try those fancy modes, shall I? So with the easy acro,
Easy acro.
yeah, I guess acro stands for acrobatics.
Acrobatic.
Oh, look at that. right drift.
See, look at that. In no time at all, and I'm gaining my confidence again, even though I didn't actually really do anything. I'm feeling like Maverick though. You can do an easy flip roll or 180 drift with the Avatar 2, and all it takes is one flick of the directional stick. Okay, Goose, I think it's time to buzz the tower.
Was that close?
It is.
It's really neat with this controller. It's just, you just flick it up. I can sense when it's about to get close, and you just flick it up. Well, you can really feel the drone is being pushed by wind now. It is seriously windy.
Can you do whatever a flip or slide near the cup or something?
Yeah.
Told you it's windy.
I landed well.
Best pick up that Battenberg cake up though, it's going to breach that 5-second rule. The previous Avatar was likeable, but the Avatar 2 helps an FPV professional noob, like myself, more. It's not just the easy tricks and easy to pick up and fly nature of the drone, but the interface of the goggles. The easy peasy fancy maneuvering coupled with a bigger sensor is surely a huge attraction, because it makes anyone wanting to try FPV get some really quite decent looking flight footage without too much hassle. For most people anyway.
Great. We've got people. We had the Super Broker Rose test track, and for some reason we've got loads of dogs and people here, so we have to be extra careful. I am the FPV master now, but just in case there's anybody walking around naked, well, dogs, you know, they could get bits lopped off. Oh no, I've changed it so I can look through the goggles now.
It's funny seeing him like, oh, I can see. That's my hand.
It's kind of weird when you watch people like playing virtual reality. It's like this.
Yeah. They're always the hands stretch out.
It can either be really boring or it can be really funny. Oh no, I have to use the pointer, don't I? That's why. Oh yeah. Okay, I think we're ready to do something, Locke. Why is that bit on pause? Oh, it's because I'm on the pointer, aren't I? This wind is not good for this. Okay. Fucking hell. Before it topples over.
You jinxed it. Oh shit! Why it has to be so windy today?
Oh yeah, it's also got
What?
it's also got that.
What's that suspicious gesture?
It's not even, it's weird, isn't it? Because I can sense that it's probably a weird gesture, but I can't see it. It's also got downwards, but also backwards sensors.
Okay,
Before it's just downwards. And I've got this little pointer as well. It's quite cute. Okay, anyway, let's get rid of that. I'm freezing my tits off, I tell you.